guys, welcome to my first video on YouTube, so don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about the 3 Easter eggs that are my favorite in Phantom Forces. So let's get straight into the video today. So coming in number 1 is, it's going to be the Peep flag at the top of the red and white pole in the Crane map. So at first, most of the time you can't see the flag unless you're up close. You do the fly glitch up to the top. So if you don't already know who Peep looks like, this is what he looks like. So coming in number 2 is going to be the Illuminati logo in the Raven map under one of the bridges. So this is my favorite one. It's the UFO in the Dunes map. So this is the last, so thanks for watching.